Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about the contraceptive methods available in Oman. The birth spacing program in Oman aims in helping women regulate her fertility effectively and safely, and thus help her raise healthy children and to stay free from the diseases and ailments of reproduction. We basically offer 5 types of methods in Oman: the oral contraceptive pills, the injectables, the implants, the condoms and the intrauterine contraceptive device. First, the contraceptive pills. We have 2 types of pills here: the combined oral contraceptive pill and the progesterone only pill. The combined pill basically has 2 types of hormones, the estrogen and the progesterone, in low doses. The advantage of the pill is that it is easily available. The woman can take it as she wants and she can stop it as she wants, and the return of fertility is easy. Side effects of the pill are: some women experience abnormal bleeding patterns like decreased bleeding during periods, breast tenderness, decreased breast milk in breastfeeding mothers, mood changes and bloating sensation. Next, the progesterone only pill. Now the advantage of this pill is that it has only one hormone, and so it doesn't affect the breast milk. So it is safe in breastfeeding mothers. The side effects are: some women experience changes in the bleeding pattern, breast tenderness, mood changes and bloating sensation. Now the hormone contraceptive pills are not advised in women who have history of blood clots in the leg or chest, that is DVT or PE, with history of stroke, history of cancer breast, history of liver tumors, history of severe cardiac disease, uncontrolled hypertension or diabetes. Next, looking at the implant. Now the implant is basically a plastic stick containing a hormone which is inserted under the skin in the non-dominant hand of a patient. Now the advantage is that this is a long-active contraception and it protects the woman against pregnancy for 3 years, and the return of fertility is faster once it is removed. The side effect is that some women experience changes in the bleeding pattern like decreased bleeding or absent menstruation. Some experience breast tenderness, nausea, mood changes, and this is slightly expensive than the others, and it needs a skilled provider to insert and remove the implant. The next method is the injectables. Now the injections available here are the Depo-Provera injection. Now this is a 1 ml injection which is injected into the muscle of the shoulder or the buttocks. The advantage of this injection is that it's a long-acting method and protects pregnancy for the next 12 weeks. The side effects are changes in the bleeding pattern, weight gain, decrease in the bone density, nausea, breast tenderness, and some women have delay in the fertility for some time. The next method is the intrauterine contraceptive device. The method available here is the Copper T 380A. The advantage of the Copper T is that this is a long-acting method and protects you from pregnancy for the next 10 years. The side effects are: some women experience heavy bleeding during the first 3 to 6 months, and some experience pain during periods. The Copper T is not advised in women who have a suspected pregnancy or who have history of genital or pelvic infection. The last is the condoms. The condoms, the advantage is that it can be used as and when needed. It is cheap, inexpensive, and it protects you from sexually transmitted infections. The side effects is that some women may experience unwanted pregnancy due to slippage or breakage of the condom. Now condoms has to be used before any genital contact. It has to be applied over an erect penis and unrolled till the base. Now the last is the emergency contraceptive. Now what is emergency contraception? Now emergency contraception is a method used to prevent unwanted pregnancy after an unprotected sexual intercourse. The methods available are the combined oral contraceptive pill and the progesterone only pill. We advise women to take 4 tablets as soon as possible and then repeat a second dose after 12 hours. And this should be done within the first 5 days of unprotected sex. Some women experience bleeding after 1 to 2 days of the pill. and some may experience an early period. In case you miss your period, meet your doctor and have a pregnancy test done. I hope this information would help you make an informed choice of your ideal contraceptive method. Thank you.